Chapter 10: How to Create an Impressive Portfolio Using AI-Generated Work. In the world of freelancing and creative professions, your portfolio is your calling card. It should not just showcase your work, but tell a story about your skills, creativity, and professionalism. A traditional portfolio requires long months of working on real projects. But what if you're just starting out? AI allows you to create impressive, professional-looking work at an incredible speed. In this chapter, I'll show you how to use neural networks to build a portfolio that will attract clients' attention, even if you don't have extensive experience. You will learn not just to generate content, but to create projects that prove your value. Why an AI-generated portfolio matters. Many people believe that AI-generated work is worthless. This is a misconception. Employers and clients are not just looking for pretty pictures or texts. They're looking for confirmation of your skills. A portfolio created with AI demonstrates that you are proficient with modern tools. This shows that you are keeping up with the times and are capable of using cutting-edge technology. You possess strategic thinking. Your prompts, details, and final refinements prove that you know how to manage a creative process. And you are creative and capable of generating ideas. AI is just a tool. The idea and its execution are your merit. It's important not just to show the final result, but to demonstrate the process. The client needs to see that you didn't just press a button, but thoughtfully conceived the concept, chose the style, and refined the final product. Choosing a direction, what to showcase in your portfolio. Before you begin, decide on your niche. Your portfolio should be focused. If you're a copywriter, show examples of ad posts, articles, email newsletters, and slogans created with AI. If you're a designer, create concepts for logos, book covers, website illustrations, or icon packs. If you're an SMM specialist, show how you can generate content plans and create viral posts and visuals for different social media platforms. Practice creating portfolio projects with AI. Now let's move on to specific examples of how you can use AI tools to create professional work. Remember, your task is not just to generate content, but to create entire projects that demonstrate your strategic thinking. Project for a copywriter, an ad campaign. Instead of showing one post, create an entire ad campaign for a fictitious product. Product idea. Use ChatGPT to come up with a product concept, for example, an eco-friendly healthy food delivery service. Target audience. Ask the AI to analyze who the target audience for this product is. For example, residents of large cities aged 25 to 40 who lead an active lifestyle. Ad copy. Generate a series of ad posts for different platforms, Facebook, Instagram, or LinkedIn, adapting the tone and style for each. Visuals. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create unique, attractive images to accompany your text. Project for an SMM specialist, a one-month content plan. Show that you can not only write posts, but also plan a strategy. Niche analysis. Use AI to analyze trends in your chosen niche. For example, fitness and a healthy lifestyle. Content plan generation. Ask ChatGPT to generate a 30-day content plan with a breakdown by topics, formats, reels, posts, and stories, and days of the week. Content creation. Use 11 Labs to create scripts for reels and Midjourney to create images for posts. Analytics. Use AI to create a report that shows which types of content would be most effective. Project for a designer, video game concept art. This project will show your creativity and ability to work within a specific style. Game idea. Ask the AI to come up with a video game concept, for example, a cyberpunk-style adventure game. Visual concept. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate a set of images that show the visual style of the game, characters, locations, and item design. Presentation. Use Gamma or Tome to put these images together into a beautiful presentation that demonstrates your idea. The key to creating these projects is not just to show the final work, but to describe the entire process, what prompts you used, why you chose that particular style, and how you refined the result. This proves your professionalism. Presentation and design, how to make your portfolio attractive. Creating the work is only half the battle. For a portfolio to work, it needs to be presented and formatted correctly. And here, AI can also be your ally. Organizing your portfolio. Use services like Notion to create a structured portfolio. You can make a separate page for each project where you include not only the final work, but also a description of the process, what prompts you used, what problems you encountered, and how you solved them. This will prove your professionalism. Visual presentation. If you work with text, don't just attach it. Use AI to create a beautiful cover for the article, illustrations, or banners. If you're a designer, put your work into a presentation using Gamma or Tome so it looks like a complete product. Creating a personal brand. AI can help you create a personal brand. Use neural networks to come up with a unique name for your portfolio, generate a logo, and choose a color scheme. Conclusion: a portfolio created with AI is not just a collection of works. It's a story about how you think, how you solve problems, and how you use cutting-edge technology to achieve your goals. It demonstrates your potential and readiness for new challenges.